Hey guys, so Tech Made Easy, and yep, you know, when you get a better sunscreen, a wind sunscreen for your car, it makes a big difference. So, you know, you get these anywhere. You know, I bought this one at Walmart, and you know, it serves its purpose, but I really wanted something better. You know, it still lets some sun in. Let me show you. So, I've got a sedan, and you know, I'm going to put this in the window. So this is the old one, and then I'll show you the new one. But, you know, this is not custom, right? This is like universal. And so not bad for the $10 you spend. You know what I mean? It's not bad. You can see here it, you know, still, it isn't perfect. Okay, and the goal is to keep your car as cool as possible. You know, summers have been getting real hot. So I picked up sunscreen from WeatherTech. Okay, and I'll take it out for a second and show you what I got. So here's your Walmart one right there, and I went to WeatherTech. They ship it to you in a box like this, and anyway, there you go, all pretty. Now the one from WeatherTech, the big difference is it's customized to your car, number one. So they don't make this for every car, but if it's a car that's popular, that sells a lot, you know, when you first get a model, it might not be out, but then if the model's been around for a couple years, so as you can see, it's just wrapped up like this, and it's got two coatings, one for the winter and one for the summer. One to keep your car cool, another one to keep your car warm. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I'm going to open it up, and I am going to, there goes the inside, by the way, that's the black part. Look at the quality, you know, the stitches really looks nice. Looks like it's made very well. It's definitely very thick. So I'm going to put it in the car now and, you know, give you that same view. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, give me a second and I'll raise the camera up. All right. And then when you buy these, you know, it kind of asks you, do you have like certain types of mirrors in your car with like, I don't know, like detection things. So I'll raise it up. All right, put it in here. You'll see it's pretty darn well. It's made for it. It goes up pretty easy. And then you close it. Look at that. Look at the difference there. Definitely closes up real well. You know, so I wanted something made well because I'll tell you, I get in the car sometimes, it's so hot. By the way, they also make a complete set that goes on your windows and everything. Okay, you're talking all four, you know, front and back windows and your windshield. I don't think they have one for the back window. I could be wrong, but this one, just so you know, this one was $50 from WeatherTech. And let me see if I could. Yeah, this one was $50 from WeatherTech. And if you wanted the complete set, it was like $130. You know, and then they charge you shipping, so you're like, oh boy. But see if I could show you what it looks like. All right, not bad. You know, closes up real well. Closes up real well. So, all right. I think it's worth the money. It definitely looks very thick. Looks like it works well. And definitely better than that piece of junk falling apart. But, you know, you pay $10. You get what you pay for. This one's thicker, and I'm not sure of the material inside, but I'm looking forward to a cooler car this summer. All right? So I hope this was helpful. Like I said, you know, they do make just the windshield, or they make the full set depending on your vehicle. All right? If you like the video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. That helps our channel. And I will put my tools playlist in the upper left-hand corner, and I will put my Tech Made Easy logo in the right-hand corner. If you want to subscribe and join the family, that'd be awesome. Just click Tech Made Easy, hit View Channel, click subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell You'll get notified of new videos. Guys, thanks so much. Have a great night.